RTS introduces NEMO. NEMO is a highly accurate inertial navigation system with integrated Doppler, delivered in a compact design, ready to use in your underwater vehicle. Today, hydroacoustic position reference systems are very common, but these systems are reliant on good weather conditions to provide stable position data and can therefore have a lack of control in rough weather. And the deeper you go, the slower the updates, and the less accurate the underwater vehicle's position becomes. But not with RTS NEMO. NEMO is a combined INS and DVL system, which utilizes all the strengths and weaknesses of acoustic positioning systems. This ensures stable real-time position, true north heading, motion and altitude updates. This data can be used by your underwater vehicle for dynamic positioning. NEMO provides control and guarantees an efficient execution of the mission. NEMO, the future of subsea navigation. From RTS.